Hello everyone, Shanta here. I'm here back for another video. So I'm here with the Stamps of Life March 2018 card kit. So I'm pre-filming what's in it, so when I get ready to make something, I have that part out of the way. Alright, so as usual, her things come in this plastic envelope, and you always get envelopes with hers. Let me show you the pattern paper color scheme. Here's all the envelopes. I think we get 10 a month, which is always good. I love the envelopes that come in there too. Let's see. I'll show you the color scheme real quick. You always get lots of white. And of course, all her stuff matches. That. So I think we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 sheets of cardstock each month. Alright, we always get a ideal card. And you got these like felt flowers that are so cute. You get these puffy stickers. These epoxy dots, so cute. You get Oh Joy word die with the outline too. Every month we get a die, and you get this stamp set right here. And here's the pattern paper, and this goes along with the butterfly stamp we got the first of the month. Oh, wait a minute! You also get ribbon. And you get twine, so you get all that for the month in the kit. So here we go. And on the back, the hearts are all the same. They did just different colors. So I won't bother to show you the back. They're literally all the same. And you know she makes all her stuff to match. So, and is that the beginning again? Let's see. Oh no. Okay. Wait a minute. Yep, the first was the butterfly. Yes. So you get 2 of each. And like I said, you can see they're all the same. So I just want to pre-film this part. I'm going to try to make some with this kit because they just have been sitting. And I just want to pre-film this part. Alright, bye you guys. Okay everybody, so I am back. So let's look at first what I have left. Today is the 21st when I'm filming this video. So they'll give you sort of like an idea how long it took me to try to do something with this card kit. So what I did was I took the pad and I cut it in half. So I used 12 sheets. So these are the 12 that's still intact. Okay. And I have some of just these few left right here. This kit was a challenge, this stamp set. The die. I use all of the puffy words. All them, they're gone. Let's see, cardstock. Now what I do is I take the cardstock and cut it in half. I use half a card basis. And I also decided this time to use the other half to embellish the cards, which I normally don't do. But I want, my cards are normally plain, and well, they still plain, but you know, I try to add a little bit more, you know, gumption to them, I guess. So I have this left, and they have what color cardstock goes with the pattern paper, so I can always order more if I just wanted to. And so these can be used as actual card bases because they wasn't cut. And I have that left for cardstock. Okay, and then we have the ribbons left. Oop. Twine. And out of the other, oh, well, got these pieces of cardstock left. And then out of the 12 of the pattern paper, I just kept these little strips. And of course the envelope and the sleeve. So that's all that's left. And let me show you. So let me show you my cards. And to make it easy on myself, because as I stated, I did struggle. I did struggle with this card kit. I made 2 of the same style cards. And what I did was I just Googled card sketches. I have card sketches card sketch books and stuff like that. So that's what I did. All right. So here we go. Did I drop one? Here is one. And on the inside, I just used the strips at the bottom. All the insides are like that. So I don't have to show you, all the insides. So that's one. Same design. That one. Let's see. They got it messed up here. Here's another set. Like I said, you see, I really struggled with all the different colors and patterns and stuff because, I'm plain Jane until I be in my mood. So, I really struggled with these. But nevertheless, they did turn out cute. Those 2 more. Next 2. All right. Here is 2 more. And that die is, from yonder ways. And I use my punches. That Old Joy's the die. Those puffy stickers are nice. And the enamel dots. Those 2. And I use my, I love my dioxide inks. Oh my gosh, I love them. I got to get the rest of them that he has, the rest of them, because I love them. That's what I did with all the stamping. Here's one card, another one. And here's this one. I should have used a different color ink on this. You really can't see it that well. But that's another one. And then my last 2, which is card number 11 and 12. Right here. And here. All right. So, oh. Sorry, you guys, about that. Oh, my goodness. All right, so let me go back over them really quickly. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And a 1. All right, so I'll be back with another video. I'm going to try to knock out some more cards. I have been working on some Christmas stuff too. I need to finish up. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Me just trying to use card kit from this month. And I have some other stuff I need to do as well. But you know how they go. I shoot to my own horn. So, toot toot. You never know. All right, bye you guys. I'll be back with another video.